If Overwatch gets stuck on the loading screen and never reaches the main menu, keep watching, because in this video I'll show you how to fix it. A few different things can cause this, so I'll run through the fixes one by one, starting with the most likely. The first thing we need to do is restart everything. Start by going to your taskbar and close Overwatch. Exit battle.net or Steam, reopen it, sign back, then test the game. If it still isn't loading, install any pending update. In battle.net, select Overwatch and click Update if it appears instead of Play. On Steam, open Downloads and finish any queued update. Wait for it to finish, then launch the game. The next thing is to repair the files. In battle.net, click the gear beside Play, select Scan and Repair, then begin scan. On Steam, open your library, right-click Overwatch, select Properties, open Installed Files, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan, then reopen Overwatch. Once you've done that, remove any connection conflicts. If you see game server connection failed or failed to connect to server, close any VPN, proxy, downloads, and bandwidth heavy apps. Shut down your PC, unplug the modem and router for 60 seconds, then reconnect them. If they're combined, restart that device, wait for the connection lights, start your PC, and test again. If it still isn't working, the last thing we want to do is reset Overwatch's settings. This returns your game and graphics options to default, so you'll need to set them again afterward. In battle.net, click the gear beside Play, select Game Settings, find Overwatch, select Reset, then Done. If you use Overwatch on Steam, skip this step. Before reinstalling the game, check Blizzard's known issues page in case the problem is affecting everyone. I'll include a link in the description. The Overwatch loading screen problem will now be resolved. Please consider subscribing if you found this guide useful.